welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, in today's video, we're doing Boxycharm unboxing. So we got my Boxycharm here, so I'm going to open it up to show you guys what I got inside. I'm a little upset because my box came actually super late this month. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box that you pay $25 a month and you get 5 to 6 full-size products. It could be skincare and makeup and hair products sometimes, which last month I got hair products, which I was super surprised. It comes with a card every month. So this month right now, it's April, so it's sweet treats, super cute. I love it. And then when you turn it in the back, it shows you the prices of all the products you got. So we're just gonna begin and see what I got inside this gorgeous $25 box. My first thing that I got is this right here. Let me open it up. Pharmacy Honey Grill right here. This is a sleek bottle, super cute, and it's glass, which I love. I'm so into skincare and I'm so happy that this came in my box. And this is Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. This is super cute. Like, look at this. So this is a fast absorbing face oil that delivers intense hydration. It helps to smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. You know your girl is into skincare products because I'm trying to stay away from fine lines and wrinkles. But anyways, I'm going to open it up so I can show you the consistency, and that's the oil right there. I don't know if you guys see it. And I'm going to put it in my skin, and look at that. And let me tell you guys, it's a little sticky, but then when you keep rubbing it, it's not bad at all. And that's how it looks. So can you imagine this in your skin, in your face, and in your neck? It feels so good. And it says that you can also put it in your hair and on your face when you are about to apply foundation. So that's good. I like that. So this little oil right here retails for $48. Not bad. Moving on, so the next product I got inside my box is the Studio Makeup Tinted Moisturizer. I already took it out from the box, but this is how it looks. Studio Makeup Tinted Moisturizer, Cream Hydrated Tint. That's how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a nice, actually this is a nice size. Like, this is huge. Oh my goodness, this is huge. So this is a tinted moisturizer with a light to medium coverage, formulated with acid, combines hydrating skincare benefits with lightweight coverage and a glowy look. Let's see, I'm gonna open it up. I'm going to I'm gonna put it on top of that nice oil right there so you guys can see. Let's see, I am so into, look at that. That is my color. So I think this is something that I chose, but if you do a test in Boxycharm, like your skin tone and your skincare, if you're oily or a combination, you usually do a test so they know what your skin tone is and what color it is. And I'm pretty sure I picked this one out, but that looks like my color. So I know they have variation of different type of color. This is the one I got. Does it have even a color name? Doesn't even have a name. It just says Shake Well. All right. So anyways, this is the color right here, and let me rub it. If I didn't have makeup on, I would have put this on my skin, but actually let me put it on my neck. Put it on my neck so you can see. But yeah, it like supposed to be a nice tint moisturizer. And let me rub it with a little sponge. So yeah, it's good. So this is supposed to be a nice moisturizer tint, and I'm liking that, especially for the summer. If you guys are not into all that foundation and all that cakiness in your skin, so this is pretty good. Like I'm saying in my like few videos ago, I'm starting to get super into the tinted moisturize, like the tinted foundation, like this one right here. This is one of my favorite. For me to have this one, I'm super excited to try this out because I'm so into the lightweight, what is it, no makeup and your skin but better. I want to try this because I'm so into this one. And I'm also into my e.l.f. also, my Camo CC cream. Like, I'm into these. I'm excited to put this in my makeup collection. You need your face to breathe, you know, sometimes. The Studio Makeup Tint Moisturizer costs $35. Super cute. I'm super excited to try this out. But you guys seen it oxidized my skin. Like, it literally looks, let me show you, super smooth and shiny. And look at that, like my hands looks great. And this is the one without it, and this is the one with it. Amazing. I got inside my Boxycharm Get Gleaming Body Glow. Is this baby right here. And for the summer, who doesn't want a glow? Because I know I do. And you know what? Tell you the truth, I don't have anything that is for your body and face, like a glow. I don't have that, like a little lotion glow. And I really wanted to get one. So I really wanted to get something like that. So I'm happy that this came in my box, actually, because you could put this when you have a cute little dress. You put this all over your body, like your legs and your arms, and just have that nice shimmery glow. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So it says, hold on, I'm trying to open it for you guys so you can see. I haven't opened it. Oh my goodness, look how cute is the bottle. So cute. This is what I'm talking about when I'm talking about a glow. I'm excited to use this for the summer. This is Get Gleamy. This is a non-sticky and lightweight that can be applied to all areas on the face and body. This transfer-proof formula is filled with ultra sparkly reflex and radiant skin. So let's see. I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna put the pump. Do you guys see that? Ooh, come on, come out, come out. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Now this baby right here, the Eloise Beauty, the Get Gleaming Body Glow, costs $38. And this is how it looks. You could put this everywhere of your body and everything. Can you imagine in the summer, you put this in your body and your skin? Actually, I don't have anything on, so let's try this out. I want to try this out. Show you the difference. So this is with nothing and this is with it. So let's see if it works. I want to put it all over my shoulders too. Like, can you imagine you put this when you have a nice dress and you put it all over your body for that nice glycerin glow? All right, let's see the difference. So that is the shiny part, the nice and glowy part, and this is without it. That's just bare. And this is the nice glowy part with it and nothing. I love it. Oh, and it feels so moisturizing too. Like, it feels like a lotion. Oh, I'm loving that. And the bottle is super sleek. Look how beautiful is the bottle. Product that I have in my box is these babies right here, which I already opened. I wanted to see what it is. And it's Flirtatious Look Cosmetic. And this is lash. Look at this baby right here. Do you see how beautiful these are? It comes in 2 lashes, as you can see, and it comes with a little cute little thing right here, applicator, so you can grab it and just stick it in your lashes. But I'm so into lashes, and I'm so happy. There you go, you see that? And if you see the box in the back, for you guys that like to see the name, it has it in the back. The top one, it says top lash, is Baby Girl, this one right here. And this lash up here gives you a cat eye effect. So if you guys want that cat eye look, this up top will give you the cat eye look. And then the second one is round lash. So this will give you instant doll eye effect, which I also love. The second one will give you that right there. And I'm also liking that this lashes came in my box. I've been having Boxycharm for 2 years and I haven't had no lashes. So this for me is the first time, and I'm happy because I love lashes. And if you play with makeup, you have to have lashes. So this was a good thing inside my box. And these lashes right here cost $38. Would I spend $38 on lashes? Ooh, I don't know, especially because I buy lashes on Amazon and I don't spend too much. And these babies right here are from Amazon and look how beautiful they are. $38 to me is a little pricey for lashes, but they give you 2. So for you girls out there that like to spend good buck of your money for lashes, then go ahead. I mean, I don't know. I need to try them to see if they're worth $38, but we'll see. We'll see. I don't know if I will spend the money, but we'll see. We will see. In my next makeup tutorial, I will put those on and I'll show you guys how they look. All right, so my last product inside the box is this product right here. Kinder Glow Highlighting Palette. Let me open it up for you. And this is the palette right here. This is a highlighting palette, which this palette is super cute. Look at the packaging. This is like my color, the gold and the pink. Yes, girl. And I'm actually excited that this is in my Boxycharm because I was in need of a highlighter and finally I got one because I was going to go buy one. But anyways, this is the Kinder Glow Highlighting Palette. And if you turn it around in the back, it has all the names of the highlighter. It has 4 highlighters in here. Let me open it up so you can see the beauty in this palette. Look how gorgeous is this. And what's calling my name and what I like when I see a highlighter is the gold. I love gold, especially for my skin tone. I'm loving the what is it, J-Lo Glow, and J-Lo usually wear that gold, pop of gold. But anyways, let me try these 4 on my arm. I'm gonna try this one right here so you guys can see. That's the first one. So I'm gonna try the gold right here. Look how beautiful is that gold. Look at that. That is super pigmented and super glowy. That's the gold. Look at the glow. Now I'm gonna try this one right here. Let's try it. All right, and then I'll try the last one. What is this name? Loving? Okay, that's Loving. This is like a coppery color, but those are all the highlights which I'm loving, and I'm loving when it comes in a little palette like this, a necessity. You have your highlighter palettes and it's 4 inside the palette. So this highlighter palette costs $15, which is super affordable, and that's not bad for a little highlighter like this. All right guys, so I'm done everything inside my box. That was an amazing box. I am so into it. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you guys like me doing the Boxycharm every month, please let me know in the comments down below so I can give you more Boxycharm and show you more stuff that I got in my box. If you haven't heard about Boxycharm, you're into makeup and skincare and you do not like going out, and it's not even you don't like going out. If you guys feeling overwhelmed and you don't know what to buy, this is a good starter kit for you, and you guys will enjoy it. I'm telling you, because every month it comes something different inside your box. You can always try new techniques and new stuff, new products inside your box. So I highly recommend this box, especially for you guys are starting off with makeup, or if you guys are makeup lovers and skincare lovers. I recommend this box for you guys. Look into it. $25 a month is a great price. You guys probably buy food every week and spend what, 30 bucks in McDonald's, $25 in McDonald's. Might as well take care of yourself. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment, like, and also subscribe. And until my next video, adios.